Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel, and today a little bit of a change. We have another Frontera video. So if anybody who's familiar with the channel, you'll know that I've got quite a few projects on the go, and this is one of them, my 1998 Vauxhall Frontera, and I'm just on with giving it a polish. It is the good old colour known as flame pink. I do jest, of course, it's actually called flame red, but everybody jokes because of how it often goes very, very pink with age. And I'm just giving it a bit of a buff up in places. I'm just going to climb up onto the roof. This is the side which I've done, and I'm going to climb up onto the roof and show you what I'm on with. Up we go. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. Yep, the roof is extremely pink. I'll just show you this rear section over the hatch, but very easily it goes from that to this. I hope it shows on the camera. Hopefully it will. But look at the difference before and after. So these are what I'm trying. I'm trying these three different products. I apologise for the noise in the background. This kid's making loads of noise, bombing past on the bikes. Bless them. But as you can see, I'm using traditional teacut. I'm also trying teacut Colour Fast, and I'm trying Colour Magic Colour Enrich, which comes allegedly with Sunstop, which is a UV inhibitor, which is supposed to stop it fading again. Oh, look at that, it's got a Rover coupe on the front. That's kind of cool. That's years old, that. So these are the three things I'm trying. So what I've done here, this first section here is purely using the teacut. Centre bit is using teacut and the Colour Fast over the top, and the third bit is using all three. And it won't show on the camera, but obviously there's a massive difference from there to there, but there is actually a difference from there to there and from there to there, but it just doesn't show on the camera. But this is what I'm in the process of doing. Now this actually only took me about 10 minutes to get from that faded horrible mess to this beautiful glossy shiny amazing paint finish. So it's actually coming up really quickly and really easily. So I'm going to carry on, and I'll keep you updated, and I'll show you more videos as I progress and show you what it comes up like. If I just climb back down, you can see how nice this side is coming up. Of course, red's difficult to video because it always goes a funny colour on camera. If I point it down to the driveway, it kind of goes to more the proper colour, but then as you pull the camera up, it goes a lot more orange. But there you go. So I shall keep you updated. I'll do more videos. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.